Welcome to the Lab on the Cloud evaluation of Renesas RZ V2N-based Edge AI development platform for robotic arm powered by Tenxer Labs LiveBench. The Renesas RZ V2N is a high-performance, low-power vision AI processor featuring a quad-cortex A55 and M33 CPU with a DRP-AI3 accelerator delivering up to 15 TOPS. It supports dual camera inputs, an integrated image signal processor, and high-speed connectivity. This setup comprises the evaluation kit, a mounted USB camera, and live display of the Edge AI application output. The setup also provides an Ubuntu-based live development environment. The EVK is connected to a robotic hand for color-based pick-and-place demo. A USB camera mounted on the arm captures live video, processed on the EVK using a YOLO-based vision AI model to detect and identify colored blocks. The robotic arm picks and places each block while the LiveBench Edge AI app displays real-time video with AI detection overlays. Click Plug-in to connect to the real hardware and begin evaluation. This lab is organized into 3 sections: the demo application for showcasing the color pick and place demo, a development environment, and the compute test for system benchmarking. Click Start Demo and observe the live action of the robotic arm as it detects the objects, picks up colored blocks, and places in the respective position. Observe the object detection, inference rates, and other statistics from the application output. This window provides a dump of the live output from the EVK. Once done, stop the demo application. To restore the blocks to their position, click on the respective buttons here. The System Stats provides real-time information on CPU and memory usage during evaluation. A thermal camera mounted atop the EVK provides thermal profiling and visualization. The junction and package temperatures can also be reviewed from this graph. Switch to the development environment, which allows for users to create, test, and refine their own AI code directly on live hardware. This environment allows you to SSH into the EVK and then run commands and programs. A README file is also provided for reference. The compute test feature allows executing benchmarking tests on the EVK to evaluate the raw compute performance. Observe the output in the window here. The AI-powered knowledge assistant provides instant help about the EVK as well as the LiveBench evaluation, using information curated from datasheets. Review the progress log for real-time updates on the evaluation flow. The hamburger menu here contains the user manual, purchase link, board bring-up guide, and other resources. Thank you and happy evaluation.